So let's amp up the complexity a little bit. The complexity here being that we're going to add what are called Boolean operators. Now, Boolean operators refer to something called Boolean logic, which is different than the Boolean data type. Boolean operators are one of three words: and, or not. And if we add those to expressions, then we can develop more complex expressions. So tell me if these come out to true or false. Or actually, sorry, in this case, I am asking you to give me a value of x that will make this true. Give me a value of x that will come out to be true, where x is greater than 2 and x is less than 10.
3.
Yeah, 3. 3 will do it because it's greater than 2 and less than 10, right? Any number between 2 and 10. What about this? It has to be greater than 12 or less than 10. Basically, any number in the universe except 10, 11, or 12, right? Where not x equals 5. So what number, give me a number for x that will be true here.
6.
Yep, any number except 5. Now we're starting to get stupid, right? Only 11 will be true here if we're talking whole numbers. Any number between 10 and 12. So Boolean operators or Boolean expressions can get pretty hairy. They allow you to test some pretty complex things, but if you find yourself in a situation where you're using multiple Boolean operators to create some crazy mousetrap kind of expression, you might want to stop and just pause. That should be like a red flag for you, where you stop and ask yourself, is there a simpler way to approach this problem? Is there a simpler way to think about this? Should I be breaking this into multiple things? How can I do this in a simpler way? Because it's very, very rare in the real world programming scenarios, at least the ones that I've seen, it's very rare for you to use 3 or more Boolean operators in any kind of expression. It's almost never necessary. So it's sort of one of those things that you might file under the category of just because you can doesn't mean you should, right? So if you find yourself with lots of Booleans in there and your expressions are super complicated, you might want to rethink how you're doing things.